Now, let's talk about scale. Does anyone know which company this is? Sorry, I can't hear you. Exactly. Instagram. How many of you know Instagram? How many of you use Instagram? Great, awesome. A lot of your hands stayed up. Does anyone here know how they did it? They completely did it on top of Amazon Web Services. Sorry, no privacy there. So, Eric Rice, the author of New York Times, and he's a proponent of the lean startup. He said the cloud is like a fertilizer that creates startups, right? And he's one of the, Steve Blank is one of his mentors. He's a professor at Stanford, and he's also the author of a book called The 4 Steps to Everything. It's a great book. If you haven't read it, I strongly recommend that you borrow it from a friend on Kindle and read it. He said, by the way, that Amazon Web Services is actually powering a whole generation of applications. Let's talk about what kind of applications are they powering. A whole generation of applications, including e-commerce, some of which some of the use cases we talked about in the panel in the morning today with Warner, gaming, social media, but also a lot of complex and applications that need high performance computing or parallel computing, like for example big data, serving ads, post-click, data processing, etc. And this is happening throughout the world, but also in India. And again, we saw in the brief we saw a roller deck in which we saw quotes from a lot of Indian customers. You might know some of these. Hungama and Ruba are pretty much using the same underlying technology platform that is helping a lot of other big enterprises like Dropbox and Samsung